What if I told you space isn't completely silent? Despite the vacuum of space, fascinating sounds reverberate across the universe. These are not sounds our ears can hear. Instead, they're waves, vibrations recorded by spacecraft and transformed into audio. Picture this: the eerie whistling of solar wind or Jupiter's magnetic field creating haunting radio emissions. With recent missions like Voyager and Juno, we've captured incredible sonic landscapes, dark hums and ghostly whistles. But how do these waves form? Micrometeorites impact planetary surfaces. Electromagnetic waves ripple through charged particles in stars. Each sound tells something about our universe. Space isn't silence. It's a tonal masterpiece hidden in plain sight. Which interstellar melody would you like to hear next? Let us know in the comments below. And stay tuned to explore the whispering waves of the cosmos in our next video.